Hi friends, let me show you this new J.VER Oxford shirt that I bought for my daily activities. Okay, it has a pocket. It has this Oxford cut in the top part, and well, I use them a lot in my work, so I'm going to iron it and try it on. Let's do it. As you can see, the shirt fits perfectly. It's really comfortable. Has these nice black lines detail here, so looks nice if you are using it without a tie. You can use it for a casual occasion like this, or like this for a more formal occasion. And it will look really nice with a tie for a really business formal or social occasion. So if you need a set of shirts like this to be used in a casual or formal activity, these ones are really nice. I like them a lot. Thank you.